What? Dr. Frankenstein isn't a homo.
Oh, really? A man who sewed together a bunch of...
I've got the hiccups. I tried to bury
It's
it.
okay, hon.
Okay,
Yeah?
ready? Yeah.
It's hard, you right? Go!
All right, I just
Okay.
have like 2 lines.
All right.
Stand by, and.
From where?
I'll never make it through. It's the same reason the dog... No! Oh!